The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for east central Muskegon County and west central Michigan, southeastern Newaygo County and west central Michigan, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bailey and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Newaygo, near Yago State Park, Ashland Township, Ensley Township, Grand, Croton, Bailey, Casanova, Big Prairie, Oxbow, Croton Heights, Canada Corners. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.